How to activate Texaco credit card online. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel, Guide Hub. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can activate your Texaco credit card online. To do so, first of all, you will need to go to the official website of Texaco credit card. For that, you need to open any web browser on your device, and in the search bar, you need to type texacocreditcard.com/activate. Once you enter this keyword, now press the enter button to search it. Within a while, you will be taken to the official website of Texaco credit card. Here, once you reach to this page, you need to click on this My Account option from the top. And once you do so, you will be redirected to a new page. And once you reach to this page, at the top right, you will find login button. Click on this login button at the top right and you will be taken to a new page now. Here you will be presented with the login interface. You may also access your account by clicking on this pay as guest if you want to make a payment. Also, if you don't have an account, you need to register by clicking on this register option at the bottom, and then you need to provide the required information such as your card details, personal details, contact information, and then create an account on it. Now, if you already have an online account, you need to log into your account. For that, in this first box, you need to enter your username. And in the second box, you need to enter your password. Make sure to enter the correct password here. You may also click on this show option at the right side to reveal your password and check if it is entered correctly or not. Also, if you want your username to be remembered for future logins, you may also click on this little square ahead of this option. In case you don't remember your username or password and couldn't log into your account, you may also reset it by clicking on this forgot username or password at the bottom, and then you need to follow the instructions given to you to recover them. After you have entered all the details correctly, now go ahead and click on this login button right here, and then you should be able to log into your account. And once logged in, you need to look for an option activate card or similar. There you will be prompted to enter your card details such as your 16-digit card number, security code, and the expiration date. And after you enter all the details, submit your form and complete the activation process. And then you will receive a confirmation message that your card has been successfully activated and now you're ready to use it. So by following these steps, you should be able to activate your Texaco credit card online. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.